not breathing.
He's in cardiac arrest.
I don't think he's breathing. He's
Want to put out, he's not breathing.
I have one. Is it in the car?
I got you. No, I don't have one.
Okay. Ready to swap?
Yeah.
One.
Okay,
Sir?
he coming back up.
Okay, keep going.
You got it?
Yep.
Feel it?
I don't feel no pulse.
He was just breathing.
Yeah, he was.
Come around a couple of times.
Thank you. You got your AD on? No. He's been in and out. He did a breath for a while, but he stopped again. Keep going.
One time we're breaking breathing. He's breathing again.
Bill, it's Tiffany. It's my husband.
Okay, Tiff. Keep going. Keep doing the
I was like, yeah, that makes sense.
Let me know if you can do switch.
Very good. Got any chance we need Narcan?
Get the cars off the roadway. Hey, you guys good for a minute? I'm trying to clear this traffic up.
Yep.
My truck, you guys. That's. Hey, Gavin. Check my car. Are you the red truck? Yeah, move your truck, buddy.
You ready?
Give this Gavin or to Brett and come off my vehicle. Alright, keep the pressures going, guys. We're going to just get them lifted up and over and get them in the truck, okay?
Yeah.
Get the heads out. Went off the road. Okay, he was in an accident. Okay.
He was in and out of breathing on the ground. We tried to keep doing CPR.
Okay.
Other than that, I'm not sure. They haven't talked to his wife or anything.
Gotcha. Okay. Pause for a second. Yeah.
Minor, what you got?
Alright, let's get him up there, and then we're going to have to work on vaginal respiration right now.
Okay. He's got to be too big for him to Lucas, right?
Looks like it.
Okay.
We can give it a shot, but I
Get in
don't
the truck,
think
get ready to do compressions.
we'll take anybody and everybody to help lift them. Ready, guys? Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Hey, boat train, be ready for compressions.
Yep.
Okay. Give me
All right, guys.
up, right? There we go. No.
Keep them going, guys.
I'm getting ready to get the truck.
I'm right back. Alright. Alright. What do you want on who? Who do you want on what, buddy?
So we're going to need to work on something.
Okay.
We got compressions going.
Alright.
I'm going to get them hooked up to the pad.
Alright,
so we
you
can
ready,
see what
guys?
kind of rhythm we got.
Heads up, buddy. This way.
Yeah.
Okay, you down. No, I think we actually might be okay. Okay, not too fast, guys. Not too fast. Nice and easy.
There's one.
Alright. Up. Alright. Alright, guys. Head first. Alright, going up. Was anybody riding with him that we know of? Break. Break.
He's coming.
On compression. Brakes on compression. Going up, guys. Come on.
Go ahead.
Here we go. What's up, 13? Yeah, come on up. You guys ready?
Grab his arm.
Tim, hey, let's get things closed up, guys. I'll follow you, okay?
We're not taking someone move her truck.
Yeah, we'll get it moved. Where's your car?
I think Gavin's moving.
Okay.
I got it.
Here. That's me. What's that? Same knees, probably.
Matthew.
Does he usually keep his key fob with him, or is it going to be in the vehicle?
I didn't see it, but I didn't look too hard either.
Huh?
I didn't see it, but I didn't look too hard.
It might be with
Yeah. Brad, you need to switch, let me know.
As much as you can. Take a real tight grip.
You ready? Come on, I would switch in whenever you go.
Hospital still found medic just courtesy call. We're on the scene. Cardiac arrest. Highway 50 in Old Collinsville. Approximately 50-year-old male found unresponsive, pulse with apnea. We do have ACLS protocols established. We're going to be en route to you here shortly. Just want to give you a heads
Hey, Lewis,
up.
are you able to get
We do have
demos
one
on him
shot
from the
this
wife?
time. Appears he's PDA.
Thank you.
We'll notify if any changes, but we'll get you back door as soon as possible.
Good to go.
All right. All right, guys, I got airway ready.
Okay, let's do a quick rhythm check. Scott's got you. All right, he's back
Back
in
in
fifth.
I'm going to charge.
Clear.
Keep doing compressions.
Work
Charge.
clear.
On compressions, guys. You'll be all right. Compressions. Go ahead. Compress.
He's got movement.
Okay. That was a still defib. Okay. Everybody clear?
Clear.
There we go. Okay.
There we go. That looked good.
There we go.
Hey, Bubba, you with us?
I got a pulse. I got
Matt,
a pulse.
Yes.
Let's get a 12 lead, guys.
Matt.
Hey, buddy.
Hey, let's go ahead and
Please, my hand. Driving?
Yeah,
Yeah, let's go. Let's go.
Do not
Chinese.
kill us.
I got you.
You guys,
My
you need me
keys
back
are in
here?
my truck.
My name's Donovan. I'm
You guys already-
All four. Hey, Scott, my
Yeah.
keys are in my truck. Just have somebody take me.
I got you. I can't find his key fob right now. It should still work. We just can't shut it off. All right. Hey, you're good. Hey, don't pass out on us, okay? Take her up there, okay? He's got a heartbeat back, okay? He's breathing. Okay. Hey,
See, you just have to
you gotta
have
relax and
faith.
calm down, okay?
Thank you.
You gotta calm down. It's okay.
Where's your That's it.
Why did you realize?
Is it locked up? Is it off?
No, if I don't know, okay, I walk in and I have to have
You want me to move your truck?
It's the piece up.
We don't know where it's at. We couldn't find it on. If it's in the vehicle, it's still running. I'll get it at least off.
Yeah.
Okay, I will
Yeah.
I'm working on it.
It's all stuff from the Fallon yard sale.
Okay.
So we just need it to save hers. I already called your mom, but we got to get you to the hospital. Honey. It's
You
just
guys, hey,
stuff.
listen,
It's
take
crap.
your time. Take your time. Take your time. Do not rush. Do not rush. Hey, yeah. Stuff like that, man.